What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video today. Woo! Alright, so today we don't really got much going on, but I do got a package in the mail, so I'm gonna show y'all what it is. And as you saw in the last video, we got the radiator installed. We got the brake pedal installed as well. We got the slave installed. Still gotta put the lines on, but I'm waiting for new lines. Need to shorten down this exhaust. And yeah, so the thing I do need to do, since this is aftermarket rear set, is you see how stiff this is? I need to take this back off, use a Dremel and shave the inner ring of this so that it just slides easier. And slides on the ring easier, and then grease it out so it maneuvers a lot easier. On the good terms though, we are going to take this out for a ride, just for a little spin, have some fun, just because why the hell not? So anyways, for those of you that are new to the channel, my name's Leo. It's my bike Shadow. 5 months ago I had, wrecked my bike doing wheelies. Now 5 months later, we're in the process of rebuilding it, putting it back together, and getting back onto the lots again. So yeah, that's basically what I do, alongside with building cars in my E36 that will later be on the channel. So let's get into this unboxing and show y'all what I got. Alright, I just sat on the rear set a minute ago, so I didn't bring my knife, so we're just gonna demolish this box while we can. Let's see here. Get this open. Ooh, those are nice. So, in here, you got our seat covers. Ah, damn. I'm not sure how, I gotta staple these, huh? Well then, we are going to have to figure out a way to do this, but they have a softer cushion right here, so it'll be a lot more comfortable to sit down. The only problem is figuring out how to get the seat covers, to get stitched. We might just have to take them somewhere and get them stitched on, or we might just have to do it ourselves and use a staple gun. Either way, this is what it looks like. So, but yeah, enough of that. We're gonna wait till the seats get in, and then we'll mess with that. Other than that, let's go ride. So let's get a little cold start for y'all real quick. And then we'll go have some fun. Cold start. Alright, got the helmet on, got the gloves on. I don't know, man, it's been a while. I just needed a ride. I've been hating sitting around in the house for like 5 months and shit, and yeah, I just need to go and have some fun, do some burnout, get wild, you know what I mean? And there's that bullshit right there. Oh, kickstand, that's why. And I don't know what the fuck that is, bro. I don't know why this shit keeps on turning off. Like, I don't know what that problem is. Ooh, shit, turn that off. Ooh, shit. Ooh. Alright, I don't know if I caught that on camera, but something just burned in the wire harness, and yeah. So, oh yeah, I could smell that. I don't know what burned, but I need to go and check that real quick before we even do anything. Something just like, fucking, yeah, that's not safe. So I know what happened, and I need to fix that real quick before we blow some shit up. The fucking battery, you can see it right here. Battery touched touched metal, and started frying shit, and it started smoking right here, and I think it started frying somewhere else. Not entirely sure. A lot of the smoke got into my fucking nose, which was really bad, but I need to take I think I got some electrical tape, but I need to take some electrical tape basically and wrap up the fucking battery terminals. People don't do this without a fucking rear subframe because you will burn some shit or you will blow some shit up. So viewer discretion advised. Don't do what I'm doing. Alright, let's try this again. So I electrical taped it, make sure it doesn't touch the fucking gas tank because that's what the problem was. I guess the battery, one of the battery terminal, positive terminals was hitting the gas tank and started fucking frying, surging shit. So hopefully. Damn, bro. Yep, ECU's fried. Fuck. Fuck. Now I gotta get a wire harness, probably. Fuel pump doesn't even start. Fuck. There it goes. There it goes. Alright. So just like that, I just jinxed myself and I'll show y'all what exactly just fried itself. So no fuel pump. The fuel pump's not kicking on, right? I'm going through the wires where I smelt the burning, right? And right here, I gotta recreate these wires right here, basically. The shitty part about this is cutting it super close to the connector. And yeah, so fucking fuel pump wire, or the fuel pump wire fried itself, so that's why we're not starting, and I'm pretty sure something else could be wrong. Also gonna have to go through right here and figure out what fried right here, because you can see that's burnt. I need to go and fix that. Basically this whole fucking spot right here. Fun times. That's what happens when you're super eager to ride and you don't make sure shit covered up. Earlier it was fine, nothing was touching, and then all of a sudden I back out, shit touching the fucking gas tank, and boom. Almost blew up the whole fucking, caught the whole bike on fire. Alright, Shadow Gang, so here's our problem, right? You see this? You see this bullshit right here? Rookie mistake, amateur mistake. So basically this plug goes into the fuel pump. More than 9 out of 10, I'm pretty sure the fuel pump is fried now, but we did fry the connector. So now I just gotta take this old wire off, take this butt connector off, solder a new connector on, and solder a connector right there onto the plug and run the wires back in and pray for the best. So I don't have any butt connectors and the stores are closed in about an hour or so, and I don't got a ride. So I'm gonna go ahead, solder this or crimp this off with some heat, solder it on, see what it do, and if it works, it works. So hopefully it saves me from getting a whole new fucking wire harness and possibly an ECU. Alright, so I didn't record what exactly I did, but I did show you the wire that was messed up. So I already went ahead, remade the wire connection to the connector plug for the fuel pump. Now it's a matter, I just gotta go run down to O'Reilly's real quick, grab some solder, because I don't know what happened to my solder. I had the solder gun, I had a stick of solder, but I don't know what happened to it. So I'm gonna go grab some more solder. I gotta go and grab electrical tape again. I don't know what happened to my electrical tape again. And then I need to grab a butt connector, because I don't know if you can see this. Let's shine my light real quick. Alright, so right here on that green plug right here, this plug right here connects and basically butt connects onto that. I don't know why. I mean, it's kind of convenient, you know, if you were to fry a wire, you could just unbutt connect it and butt connect it again. I typically like to solder shit and make it look nice and neat, but if I were to solder, I'm pretty sure if I were to fry something again, you know, it would travel through all the wires instead of that just stopping at the butt connector. So I'm gonna just go ahead and buy butt connectors. grab like a couple of them. And then down here on this connector right there where that red wire is, I'm gonna have to solder right there just because it's cutting it super close to where the plug is. And for some reason something else smells burnt, but I'm pretty sure that's just leftover residues. From what I can see, none of the injector plugs are fried, which is hella fucking good. I got lucky on that. None of the injector cords are fried. From what I can tell, nothing else down here is fried. I pulled off, as you can see, I pulled off almost all the wires to the wire harness. But it seems like only thing that fried was the fuel pump. While the sun's going down, I'm losing daylight. I'm gonna end it here. When I get back to O'Reilly's, I'm gonna finish off the rest. And if it starts, I'll show you a little snippet and then we'll carry on to the next video for the next day. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you get more information when I drop a new video. And after you get done with doing that, hit the like button, share this with a friend, and I'll see y'all next time.
House full of kilos, soul pounds of zeros. Cocaine my hero, you ain't fixed, I get Debo. Always asking what to learn like, young home still freeload.